German car tuning company Mansory is at it again, and this time, it has released a super soft kit for the Ferrari SF90 in both Stradale and Spider formats. Like the company's many previous takes on Ferrari products, it still looks a little too busy, to say the least. To a certain degree, however, the new soft kit for the SF90 looks like a downturned derivative of the kit the company made for the SF90 Stradale, which is somewhat the point of its soft kit builds. While the F9XX is a carbon fiber monster, this one has turned the dial down and features fewer parts using the lightweight composite material. Still, plenty of exposed carbon fiber pieces are seen on the kit, specifically on its lower front bumper and side skirts. All of these are fashioned from forged carbon fiber as opposed to the more traditional woven type, and the subtle yellow accent striping helps accentuate them further. In contrast to the F9XX kit, the newer soft kit provides a carbon fiber ducktail wing that's significantly less obnoxious than the older kit's two-tiered carbon wing. It also doesn't include the 4-piece exhaust setup and engine cover found on the old setup. What does carry over, however, are the staggered YT.5 air design wheels in a 21-22-inch stagger front to rear. However, the relatively subtle, by Mansory standards, styling is also augmented by an upgrade in performance. Mansory upped the tune of the SF90's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and tri-motor hybrid system to 1,085 horsepower and 723 lb-ft of torque. That's a good chunk more compared to the stock SF90's 986 horsepower and 590 lb-ft. Those outputs mirror the F9XX kit, with all the extra poke coming from the combustion engine, not the electric motors. The engine alone now produces 978 horsepower, 209 more than it did before, thanks to Mansory's tune. This enables a 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in 2.4 seconds and a claimed top speed of 220.5 miles per hour. On top of all that, the German firm says that the super soft kit for the Italian supercar also includes suspension upgrades and interior enhancements. Of note, the latter adds a bunch of Mansory logos and contrast color bits to the vehicle's dash and door panels. For now, no prices were indicated for this kit, but we're pretty sure that faithful Ferrari fans and especially purists out there aren't exactly clamoring to get their hands on these.